Here are the license plate inserts for the rear Honda. You see that they're square on the inside and round on the outside. They have plastic tabs that extend from the sides, holding them in the square hole. There's a foam gasket that helps seal them in the hole. When they're removed, you'll likely damage the seal, and it's best to just replace the whole piece. They're pretty inexpensive, so replacing them is not a big deal. So we just come in from both sides. And it pops out. Once they're removed, you literally just push them back in. That's it. Thank you for watching.